Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, guys, and today we are doing something a little bit different, and we decided to go for a hike in Singapore. Yes, I know it's something that does not come to mind when you think about Singapore, but I must say I was pleasantly amused to see such nature and such beauty here on the little red dot in Singapore. And so we went to the MacRitchie Reservoir, and it is such an easy hike. It's beautiful, absolutely stunning. There are boards everywhere around the park to show you where to go. You can choose your difficulty level and you can choose how long you want to walk for. And also it is open every day of the week, so that is really great. But just make sure the treetop walk, which I really recommend, is closed on Mondays. So yes, if you want to do the treetop walk, don't come on a Monday. I really enjoyed this, and I hope you enjoy too. Let's get into it.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows alive, we lose track.
So sweaty. It is very humid. I'm always the one that's like the reddest. Look at the sweat, look at my makeup. Do not wear makeup when you come to hike in Singapore. It will melt, literally melt off your face. You know, you have to be, what is that word?
Ready.
Creative.
That one. Creative.
Innovative.
Innovative.
Yeah. You know, you always need a packet of tissue in Singapore, either to reserve a seat at the restaurant or a hawker center.
But also you need some sanitizer, hand sanitizer.
Sanitizer, but then also you need tissues for the sweat.
It's true.
Do not eat McDonald's, because then you have to do this. The price you have to pay for eating. Oh, it's starting to rain.
Oh.
Oh. my camera. Yeah, to work out. Look, we're the last ones.
Oh my god, there's a house.
Well, I have been behind the whole time.
I need a stick.
Yeah, I need one of those sticks.
We got it. At the top.
Yes, we can do it.
It's raining.
We can do it.
It's raining.
Okay, I'm gonna put my camera away now because it's raining. Cannot see you. What about you? Oh, it's okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I cannot see you, Hannah. There you go. 1, 2. 1, 2. Oh.
Down like your feet. That is
Crazy. This is giving me a bit of a vertigo.
Better go.
feeling. Oh my word, that is so beautiful. This is unreal. To think this is all in Singapore. This is how it used to look like many years ago before civilization came with their bulldozers. Woohoo! Yeah, hopefully there's no thunder or lightning that strikes this bridge, because then we are toast. We will fry. Okay, my camera is gonna get soaked, so I want to take footage, but you know, camera first. I can come back again another day to do this. Well, this is beautiful. Whoa, this is stunning. So beautiful. Oh, so now it's all downhill. That's good. Just very slippery. Woo. They're so beautiful.
Can I please get the hot mess?
Sure. What kind of bagel would you like?
I always get the cheddar. Do you have cheddar?
We're out of everything else except for all these.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, does the all sorts have salt on it?
Yeah, a little bit.
Cool. You know what? Let's go crazy. Can I get the all sorts?
Sure.
Thank you.
So it's a hot mess with all sorts.
Yes, please.
Alright. Any drinks?
No, not for now. It's delicious. It's called the hot mess. It's got creamy feta, avocado, tomato, sofrito, which I'm guessing is like this part here, and sunny side up egg, so it's vegetarian. And on top I have like what they call the all sorts, which is all of the different bagel toppings on one. So you get a taste of everything, and it's amazing. And only $10, and really filling and delicious.
Salmon and pickles and cucumber with cream cheese.
Oh, that looks so good.
We messed this up a bit. It is good. Oh, yeah, sour. That's some really fresh salmon. That's really good.
Lamb sausage, tzatziki, sunny side egg, cheese, and greens.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, this looks so good. So I asked for recommendations, so she recommended that I try this one. This one is called the Primal. It is, ooh, very saucy. Look at that. This is house smoked beef brisket, gherkin, house pickled chilies, which I got on the side because, as you know, I get a red rash from chilies. So I will try it, but I will see how it goes. And then also mustard, cheese, and barbecue sauce.
Your drink?
And the drink is a mango slushy.
Yum.
Yum, yum, yum. I must say, this was by far one of my most favorite days in Singapore this year. Just getting out of the city, getting into nature, and just clearing your head and hearing the birds and the monkeys and just complete silence, something that you don't expect from Singapore. And then having bagels afterwards, it was so delicious, and I highly recommend going and visit them for a delicious bagel. So thank you guys for watching until the end. You're really awesome. I really appreciate you if you got this far. Please remember to also check out my Instagram, where you can see daily updates. Please remember to also click the subscribe button and hit the bell notification to receive notifications every time I post a video. And that's that. So please be good, do good, and keep on smiling. Bye.